Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. If you're looking to refresh your skin, you gotta try this turmeric clay mask. This is by LIYALAN. I really like this product. It makes my skin feel so much better afterwards. It helps with the inflammation, the redness that I get, especially sometimes in some rosacea areas on my face. I feel like it does a great job of calming that down. I love the ingredients in this and the vitamin C. It helps brighten up my skin and giving me a nice overall calmer looking complexion. And I feel like it works really great as it dries on my skin. The texture is that clay and it feels like it's pulling out those impurities as it dries. You can leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and the smell is really nice and it doesn't dry out my skin after using it. I feel like it's really great for all my sebum buildup, those impurities. I think it works great with my dark spots. So if you're looking for just an all-around great mask for all those skin annoyances, this works so good for me. But that's just my point of view.